Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2011 Juke. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power moonroof, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, leather shift knob, tilt steering wheel, navigation system. The Juke is an adaptable and intelligent ride where handling meets turbocharged performance. This unique, sporty compact crossover fits your personal style perfectly. Come see the car for yourself.